Hello everyone, welcome to our 9th video of our Golang series. In the 8th video, we have discussed about regarding the array, right? If you haven't watched that one, please watch that and watch this video, because today topic was slice. When we are discussing about the slices, the array concepts are very important. That's why the reason I asked you to look into our previous video, right? Okay, slices are an important data type in Go, giving a more powerful interface to sequence than arrays, right? Actually, we want to know regarding the arrays when we are learning the slices, right? Because there are some differences with the arrays and slices, right? We will learn those things in the when we are doing the video, right? Okay. First, I will create a array var x equal with 5 integer values, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then I will print that here. fmt dot println x, right? In here, you can see it gives the output here, right? If we want to create a slice, right, we can simply create a variable with any name. I will create a variable as is, and then we can get the slice of x like in this way. Then I will print the fmt.println s, right? Then I will run this one. In here, what I did was I got the index 1 to 4, right? 1 to 4 means it will remove the last element and get these 3 elements, right? 20, 30 and 40, right? This is actually a slice, right? When we if we want to print the length of this s, we can simply print fmt dot println len. We can use the len function and pass that slice. What is the length? Length is 3, right? And also there is a function called cap, right? And then I will pass the s here. In here, it will return the capacity of that slice. Capacity is 4, right? How that get? This has actually, if we start in from 1, this has actually 4 element, right? But we got the only 3 element there, but we can assign 1 more, right? That is actually a capacity, right? Capacity of slice, right? Hope you got that one, right? In here, what we got was 1 to 4 element, right? Then it will create a slice using these 3 element, right? But we have another element in that array, right? In that case, also we can consider as a capacity, right? When we are calculating capacity, that value also get calculated, right? Okay, then like in this way, I will print fmt dot println right? S capacity S. In this way, I'll print the output. What is the output? It returned the output as 20, 30, 40 and 50, right? In here, this is very important because we have got 3 elements from this array, right? Then this S will pointer to this first element, right? First element means the actually when we are considering this array, it is actually second variable, right? But it is its index was what? 1, right? When we are creating this S, it will pointer to this variable, right? It will keep that one, right? And if we point to this one, then we can get this and this, right? Okay. If we can get the length, right? If we want to get length, we can use the length function. If we want to get the capacity, right? We can get the cap function, right? Okay. If we print like in this say fmt dot println is 1 to, like in this way, I will print and show the output here. What is the output? 30 and 40, because in this S actually contain these 3, right? These 3 element. In here I am printing what? 1 to end of the length, right? End of the length. It will print the 20 and 30 and 40, right? Okay. Hope you understand these things, right? These are very important, right? When you are learning the slices, right? Okay. Then another thing that I want to teach you is that in this array I will print the capacity fmt dot println capacity of x as well as the length of fmt dot println length of, run this one. In when we are considering the array, right, the capacity and the length are same, right? It's very important, right? In the array we want to specify the size, but when we are creating the slice we do not want to specify the size, right? Okay. Then like in this way, we want to append some value, right? We want to append some value to the this x. I can use append function, append x command 6. Okay. Then I will want to create a variable like in this way, right? And then I will print the fmt dot println b, right? In here there is some error, then I can remove that one by specifying the type. Okay. It can remove this file. Okay. In here, I will print that one. It will return the answer as like in this way, right? In here, what I did was append 60 to the this x variable, right? Actually, we can remove this one. In here, what I want to tell you actually, this x also actually a size, right? This x also actually a slice, because this is an array. That array assigned to the x. Now we can say this x is a slice, right? Using that array, we have defined the slice, right? If we want to assign this one to x again, we can simply assign that like in this way, and I will print it. Right now x is what? This, right? We can assign anything here like in this way, right? In here, what I did was, it will append when we are considering this append function, right? What it did, it adding this 60 to the end of the as end of element, right? And it will return what? It will return this format here, right? Right. This is also a twice, right? And then assign that one to x variable, right? Now it will create a new x, right, with these elements, right? Now this is the output here, right? What I want to mention here again, the slices are emerging from the array, right? Okay, then I will create a slicing this way, right? Bar is with a string element, right? Like in this way, we can create the slice, right? Okay, then if I print the empty dot println s, what is the output? Output is this, right? There is no any element we have put it there, right? If we put integer, then also there is no any element there, right? But when we are creating the array, can we do that one? Can we do that one? We can't do that one, right? Because without a size, we can't create the array, right? We can't create the array. Okay, then hope you have got these things, right? Okay, then we can check the array contains element or not, right? In here, these are slices, no, right? In here also we can check the slices contains elements or not, right? How we can do that? We can simply check is equal nil, right? In this way, we can check whether there are elements in the slice or not, right? And also we can check like in this way. We can check the length, fmt dot println length of s equal c. an uninitialized slice equal to nil and has length 0, right? These are very important, right? Then using the make function, we can initialize the array, slices, right? Okay, like in this way, s equal make, right? Make int comma 3, right? Then I will print the fmt.println s. What it did in here, using the make function, we can initialize the slice. In here I have created the slice with 3 element, right? The length of the slice is 3. We haven't assigned any values to here, then by default it will assign the 0, right? If we put 10, it will assign 10 0 values, right? What is the length of this fmt.println length of what is the length? Length is 10, and then I will print the capacity fmt.println capacity of s, right? 10. In here we can define the capacity as well, right? Like in 20, then capacity was 20, right? Right, you got that one, right? This is the length of the slice, this is the capacity of that slice, okay, right? Then when we are making this one, I will check that condition again. S equal nil, and as well as fmt.println length of s equal 0. What is the output? It says false and false because we have initialized the array with default element, right? Okay, then if you haven't mentioned the capacity, then it by default it will assign to the length of that slice, okay? Then if we want to assign values to this slice, we can simply assign values like in this way: s0 equal to 10, s1 equal to 20, s2 equal to 30. Right, now I will print fmt.println s, right? This is the way, okay? Now I will assign s3 equal to 4. What is the output? It says that what? Panic, runtime error, index out of range, right? Because what? We have assigned out of range values, right? I will put the capacity as 5. The capacity as 5. Now what is the output? That's same, right? Because we can only assign 3 element there. It don't matter about the capacity, right? These things are very important when we are assigning values to the slice, okay? Okay. Same thing, if we want to get the second element of the slice, we can simply get that in like in this way, right? If we want to create a slice called C, right, using the S, how we can do that one? We can simply make a slice called C, right, in what is the length of, right, and then there is a function called copy C comma S. In here what it did, it copies S content to the C, right. Now I will print fmt.println C. That's the output, same as the S, right, same as this. These things are actually very important, right, when we are learning those things regarding the slices. If you want to create multi-dimensional slice, we can do that one as well. Create a multi-dimensional one. For the demo purpose, I will create a two-dimensional one, right, like 2D. Make I will create a two-dimensional one, right. If you want to create two-dimensional one, we want to add in like this and type int length was 3, right. Then using the for, I can fill the value to this slice, right. I less than 3, I plus plus, then 4, j equals 0, right, and then j less than some value here. I will put as 3 for now, and then increase the j plus plus, right. In here I want to demo you something, right. Before writing this code, I will print these things for your information, right. fmt.println, right, println 2D. First I will print this one, right. This is the output for that one, right. And what is the length of 2D? fmt.println length of 2D. What is the length? Length is 3, because we have created the slice of slice, right. We have created the slice inside the slice, okay. In here, before we are in here, you can see this is the outer slice. Inside that slice we have 3 slices, right. We have initialize the array, this outer array here, right. Okay, now I will uncomment this one. I will uncomment this one, right. Uncomment this one. Using this outer loop, I can get these 3 slices, right. But I want to initialize these 3 slices, right? Because of that term, I can define some random length here, or we can assign some constant length. I will define some random length like inner length by summation of I plus 1 I n mark, right? Then in here I want to initialize this one first, right? This one first. How we can initialize this one? How we can access this one? You can access simply by calling this, right? We can get the first slice by using this 0. How we can get the second slice? By using the 2, right? We can generate by using the I, right? Okay, then now we want to initialize the slice again, right? Slice again this one. Okay, right? Then I want to goes to j up to this inner length, right? And then I will assign 2d I j equals I plus j, right? Now I will print the 2d array fmt.println 2d. What's the output? It's the output, right? Hope you got that, right? These are very important, right? We can replace this 3 with the length of what? 2d, right? Simply I have explained all the related things regarding to the slice, right? If you have any questions, please put those things to the comment section, then I can answer those questions, right? If you have learned new things, please subscribe to my channel and please share those things with your friend, right? Before concluding the session, I will want to explain one more thing again. I will create the variable called x with the size of 0, right? Then if I want to append some value to the x, how we can do that one? You can simply say, right? Then I will fmt dot println x as well as fmt dot println length of x, right? In here also I will do the same thing, right? Length, and here also length, right? Okay, now what is the output? Initially there is no any length there, right? But if you want to assign some value, we can use this append function, and then it will automatically increase the length, right? This is very important when we are learning the slices. In the array, we want to when we are creating the array, we want to specify the size, right? If there is no matter whether we are using that length or not, it will define that size. But in slices, there is no predefined size. When we are growing or shrinking, it will automatically create the length, right? That's also very important thing, right? Okay, please subscribe to the channel, please share this with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.